Welcome friends. Today we'll discuss another maths puzzle. This is Elon Musk's favorite questions that he often asks in his interviews. The question is, suppose you are standing at a place on earth such that where you walk 1 mile south, 1 mile west and 1 mile north, you end up at the same position. Where could you possibly be, and how many such points are there on the earth? You can pause the video and try to answer it. You may think it is impossible. Yes, it is impossible. If you try to solve this problem on a piece of paper, walk 1 mile south, 1 mile west, then 1 mile north, you always land up 1 mile west of where you started. You can't solve it on a paper because our earth is not flat. It's spherical. To better understand, let us make any random point on earth. Then walk 1 mile south, 1 mile west, 1 mile north. You will see that we don't end up at the same point. Let us try it at North Pole, following the same rule. 1 mile south, 1 mile west, 1 mile north. Wow! We see that we ended up at the same starting point. So the North Pole be the one such point that satisfies the condition of the problem. North Pole be the one solution. Is there any other points on the earth? Yes, there are. Let's see. Let's consider a circular path of circumference 1 mile. Now take a point 1 mile north of the circle and walk in the mentioned path. As we travel 1 mile south, we reach the circle, and when we travel 1 mile west, we complete a loop on the circle and reach the same point on the circle. And finally, when we move back 1 mile north, we ended up at the same point where we began. So this point A is another solution. In this way, we can find infinitely many points which are 1 mile north to the circle. Is there more solution? Let's consider the circle with circumference half mile like this. Now take 1 point north of the circle. We travel 1 mile south to land on the circle. To travel 1 mile west, we'll need to travel 2 loops around the circle. Then travel 1 mile north to reach the starting point. Now if we take any point on this circle, 1 mile north of the circle, see up. We will see the points are the valid solution to the puzzle. Again, infinite points. We can get more solution by making the circle of circumference 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, and so on. We find infinite many solution points 1 mile north of them. This completes our solution of the riddle. There are infinite solutions to the problem. The solutions are North Pole and the point on the circle 1 mile north to the circle with circumference 1 by n, where n be the natural number. Hope you enjoy. Thanks a lot for watching the video.